Life cycle of threadworm. Its life cycle is complex. It has two life cycles: the parasitic cycle, inside the human; the free-living cycle, outside the human. First, we will discuss the parasitic cycle. Parasitic cycle of threadworm is similar to hookworms, except that threadworms have the ability of autoinfection. Steps of the parasitic cycle are: filariform larva penetrates the human skin, they enter the bloodstream, they migrate to lungs, and enter the alveolar spaces of lungs. They climb up to trachea, where they cause coughing. Coughing causes swallowing of larvae into GI tract. Larvae evolve into adults. Within the small intestine, adults produce eggs. In the mucosa of intestine, eggs hatch into rhabditiform larvae, that are passed in the feces. They develop into filariform larvae in the soil. Filariform larvae penetrate human skin, and enter human body. In this way, the parasitic cycle begins. Again, there is also the special phenomena of autoinfection. In threadworms, in the small intestine, some rhabditiform larvae evolve directly into filariform larvae. Instead of leaving the body as rhabditiform larvae, these filariform larvae formed in the intestine directly penetrate the intestinal wall to enter the bloodstream. Through the bloodstream, they reach the lungs, and the parasitic cycle starts again. Second cycle is the free-living cycle. Rhabditiform larvae released from human feces into soil can evolve directly into male or female adult worms. Instead of maturing into filariform larvae, male and female adult worms mate in the soil, and the life cycle from production of eggs to evolution of rhabditiform larvae will occur in the soil. This cycle usually occurs in the human body in parasitic cycle. If these rhabditiform larvae transform into filariform larvae, then the parasitic cycle within humans will start. If these rhabditiform larvae transform into male and female adults, then the free-living cycle within the soil will start.